Welcome to this part of our tutorial on using a slide rule. It will be a short one. Remember, we started with multiplications and divisions, and you might wonder why we didn't start with additions and subtractions, which intuitively are simpler. The reason is that slide rules are not designed for additions and subtractions because these operations are so simple that they can be carried out mentally. So, slide rules don't provide a direct way of performing them. However, there is a trick that allows us to perform these operations with a slide rule by replacing them by a multiplication and a division according to the formula shown. Note that the formula still involves the addition to 1 or the subtraction from 1 that needs to be done mentally, but adding to 1 or subtracting from 1 is a trivial operation. In the end, it is still much simpler to carry out the full addition or subtraction mentally, so there is no practical purpose of doing it with a slide rule. Thus, the only reason I'm giving this trick is for you to practice using the slide rule. So, let us look quickly at an example. Suppose we want to calculate 7.35 plus 2.96 and 7.35 minus 2.96. So we start with the division, and remember we place the divisor 7.35 on the C scale over the dividend 2.96 on the D scale. Like this. Then we read the result on the D scale at the location of the right index on the C scale. 4.03, but remember the decimal point. The result should clearly be between 0.1 and 1, so the result is actually 0.403. We add 1, which gives 1.40, and we need to multiply it by 7.35. So we place the right index on the C scale over 1.40 on the D scale, and we read the result on the D scale under 7.35 on the C scale. We find 1.03, but clearly the result must be greater than 1, so we conclude that the result is actually 10.3. Now for the subtraction, we start back from the result of the division, which was 0.403, and we subtract it from 1, which is trivial. The result is 0.597. We need to multiply it by 7.35, so we place the right index on the C scale over the value 5.97 on the D scale. And we read the result on the D scale under the value 7.35 on the C scale. We find the value 4.40. So that's all for addition and subtractions. In the next part of this tutorial, we will see how to compute logarithms and exponentials in base 10 as well as in any arbitrary base. Please give a like, subscribe, write a comment, and share on your social media.